All right, what's up, you guys? Right here, we have the builder permit. We just got the permit from the city, and so now I have the electrician in. And I'm gonna show you guys the process, basically of what he's doing so far. So you guys come in. So essentially, we have to come in here and re-gut. So we just gonna gut this whole place. And right now, what he's doing, he's just put X's. He's gonna put X's on all the places that need plugs. And pretty much all of this stuff gotta come out. All this stuff gotta come out. He put X's on all the lights. You see, light switches and so forth. So basically, this is what he's doing all throughout the house. This plaster, all this stuff will come out. This is called plaster. So we gonna gut the whole duplex. We're gonna gut the whole building. Pretty much, we're gonna go back with sheetrock in the whole place. And I'm gonna take you on the other side where the electrician is, so you can see exactly what it is he's doing. Guys in here working on the electrical. So what they're doing is they're taking all the old boxes out. They're replacing them. Go back here and show you. So I just want to give you guys a quick little glimpse of what they're doing over here at the triplex that I'm working on. As you can see, they've been cleaning it out. And right now, for the most part, they got everything gutted on this one side. So you can see, that's why I wanted to gut it, because as you can see, you see this wood, all of that. I wanted to replace all that. So I had a feeling all of that was behind the wall. So with it being old, that's why I wanted to get rid of that plaster on the wall. So as you can see, we got it gutted. Same as in here in the kitchen as well. And on to the back. Into the back room. Right here. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little glimpse of what I had going on with this one. Man, that's crazy.
See that right there? He said he lit up in his face right there. Dang. Yeah, hot as a fire. Come take you outside, show you what it's doing. It's hot though.
So, oh man, that's crazy. That's dangerous too.
Hell yeah.
So what happened was the power from here and next door is connected.
Yeah, that's somebody bootlegging something.
That's crazy. See, I want y'all to see this real quick.
That's illegal as hell too.
Look at this.
You can't put colored wire in the ground. That's supposed to be gray.
Damn.
Gotta kill somebody, man.
This shit.
Say if it was raining outside out here and this wire was naked and a child ran across here.
Yeah.
Unforgivable. Damn. You know, in Montgomery a couple years ago, we had one got killed down on Ridgecrest. He touched a fence that had a naked wire on up against the fence. 220 volts killed. But if Spirit was out here when he cut that wire, it would have laid him out here. He'd have been stretched out. But it's running straight through up under the ground, going to that box right there coming through him. Oh, wow. You shaking him. See, they put a dirt up, it's going up under that house. Wow. Probably going right into this area right here. Either that or it's going to that AC plug. One of the two.
So apparently power was running from this house next door to the triplex. And one of the guys was in there working, the electrician went in there working, and he went to rip out a plug and he ended up shocking himself. So I just wanted to show y'all that little bit of info.
Have to be careful.
Got to be careful. Whew, so dangerous. Thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Peace.